Mwana wina waso wa mkazi ali hapo. Pali panopa nilita na Honorable Levi Ngoma. Ye mwali chairman wa agriculture mchipani cha UPND pa national level. Ndiye amene apitirize ndi program yonse kutikenaga mumpeko mawa president agasika mumbuyi.
Zambia! Zambia! PF yalala! PF yalala! PF yalala! Ya! Zambia! Ulemu kwa President Hakainde Hichilema. Lero ni siku ya mtengo wa patali. Amenako nwela kuti Hakainde Hichilema alipano kwa mpeseni pake. Aimike kwa ajala. Thank you. Mr. President, all protocols observed. Allow me to perform a simple task in view of time, because this is not unosimsanga na wanga nilole mwachidule kuti a president saenda beka enda nabena kulakulu ma members of parliament chifukwa chipani cha UPND na ma MP ziko lonse lino latu la Zambia bati sono nikalipofika hapo akulu wakuno kwatu kumawa ambassador Chiwoza pasankoni moni ambassador Chiwoza mpeseko moni aba analia pungwa nyumba ya Malamulo kunja kukapoche ambassador Chiwoza Alfred Chiwoza.
Zambia! Zina langa inendi ni Alfred Chiwoza. Tinashtandale kare na berananzanga macha kutiti kupata nkoni moni kutiti limbikitsane osa tayo mtima boma ni chintu chapa fupi kutenga marika ngati mwa simna ufotere awa wanda hati chita hati mnyula panghani yaoli ziko mokombe
sono niroleni pampata uno kutima MPs wonse bali pano afike kusogolo pakuti moti waone oyambirira Honorable Sylvia Masebo apa aufomu my MPs, my members of parliament as manjamo malonda ni mase malonda nchani Zambia awali hapa na Honorable Patricia Mashingwere na MP Kukatuba awali hapa na Honorable Mbangweta na MP Kungeema uko Kukaoma awali hapa na MP wa Mwinga ni wa MP Kushikankata awali hapa ni wa MP wa Miriam Chonya ni wa MP Kukafyuwe awali hapa ni wa Chisangano ni wa MP Kugwembe awali hapa ni wa MP wa Chatira ni wa MP Momba awali hapa huyu mnyamata ni wa Njota huyu mnyamata ni wa Njota huyu ni wa Njota
Acho akambeko Zambia naonga zikomo mshonkano siwanga ine zina langu Neo Gary Nkombo Zambia ringimbira wantu wakumazabuka ine pano munivomeze one word chapa one Zambia na ukama wa banda one Zambia na ukamba wa banda one nation liye pamene pali nkani ine pano mkazi wanga simtonga bati nendine mtonga pamene tinali kufunana kunalibe kufunsana uti ndiwe mtundu bwanji kunali chabe kugwira kwi kungola bwino Zambia
Now, ba Andrew batipasa simbo ya so, simameni. Simbo ya so, simameni. Ku Zimbabwe chinachitika, simameni. Ku South Africa chinachitika, simameni. Osa munamani muntu iya. Iyo wamele wakambati 2021, ndiye oli mulamulo. Bati kulilamulo ya ziko. Ngati ujali pa mwamba, achola lamulo ya ziko. Oloma iwo angachoka. Zambia kuno taonga zikomo kuno kwatu kuchipata ife tiwenga kuti kuno kuchipata ni kwatu na imwe kuja kwatu kumazabuka ni kwanu. Zambia osati muntu wina ngo atipite pakati imwe watu wakuchipata kuchoza pamene Lungu president wa ziko ya Zambia anange na president sama perera chabe pamvua anabwerako kuno kukamba zikomo kuti munamvoterako nifusa imwe funi mtu kwana na anabwerako kukamba uchi zikomo mavocha mwe munambasa. Okay, kapena kuonga zikomo ni chidichovuta nanga anabwerako chabe wakumaliro chabe kuti abwera kuona wantu ofena. Zambia, I want to give you a message that we, your fellow Zambians, love you. That's why we have come here. Uyu msonkano uyu wamena panga kuti upangike msonkano uyu ni mulungu jaku mwamba chifukwa Zambia chifukwa ife wayuplendi
maempi ntota zikomo manja mu makoro zikomo kalelo pansi minister dynamic na ibala ni wa Honorable Dr. Christopher Kalila amadamu wao wachokera hapa pachiparamba moni.
Zambia ine mwamene mwamverera zina langa ndine Honorable Dr. Christopher Kalila. Ine ndine MP wa ku Western Province koma futi kuina kwatu ni hapa pachiparamba.
Ntota maempi manja mu makoro azimai nazi bambo pia fuyalala Lungu atibwanji kaniwamiza kasimbo kamati Pusandru Banda PF atibwanji a president PF atibwanji Lungu PF change sikoma kwambiri. Okay, National Management Committee members tifike kusogolo pamene balipo National Management Committee members, National Management Committee members. Pakuti naroga ni mantota ni umozi chabaza kambako so nifuna kuti niambire awa kambako kudala ni ba Garinkombo ni ba chairman of elections imanja umo zikomo kwambiri awa kambako kudala na Andrew Bwezani Banda mwana wa Rupia ngakali pansi bambo awa nakula kuru mchipani chatu cha UPND achuzu ngakali pansi bambo awa nakula chipani Honorable Felix Ngoma National Management Committee amene akulu pa nani Zandalama mchipani ashukira kukaumbwe zikomo ngakali pansi olemekezeka nachepa zikomo awa ni wa MP venechishi tama pasekulisha pemoni chapa
Mulika botu muri bwanji
zikomo. Honorable Patricia Mwashingwele, Deputy Chairperson Information zikomo mama ngakali pasi. Honorable Mwaliteta oye malonda ni maso mwona bati choneka bwanji chini awa ni wa Honorable Mwaliteta ni wa provincial chairman kulusaka kuja wenze wa MP kukafyuwe ziko mungakaleko pasi bamba. Uyu ni mzanga uyu tinali naye pano ntawina pampezeni paki manje simsomkana watu tikabweti kashite watu wina ya chimozi ya nisogole. Awa ni wa honorable Likando Mufalali. Kabani kuti Mufalali. Mufalali. Wanali wa MP
Senanga.
Wanali wa MP ko Senanga ndimo mpando bwanji.
National chairman wa my youth manja kuline imwe.
Mungu! 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 Awa meneza azaza milako wa best common. Take it easy, ma'am. Awa ni wa honorable Suvia Masebo. Bwana nikapanja.
Zambia lazima bambo time ya si atifuna mwina wa bola bwa tebwanja akambepo apai so sitakapa chilichonse sakamba next time Mr. President.
Honorable Mchereka, you can come and take the president, please.
Zambia Mulibwanji Mavutika Nibandani waborasa mavuto Zina langa ndine Patrick Mcheleka nachokela kuruwingu lwansase uwatumpa yankani uruwingu lwansase uwatumpa lwamocha imwe bambula imwe bantu muntungati apempa nabwela kuno nifuna munipase kumbeva manja imwe mufuna kunipasa koswe ajavonza mumpoto manje koswe achoka mumpoto angena na mumunda mumvera koswe achoka mumpoto manje angena na mumunda mavuto ya paka ntawino kosa tantawi manje pano nizaitana mwene wake mwana wanu Zambia mweza funa mulimi na mkwara zanu mulimi muzanu Mr. President sir.
Thank you. Zambia. Zambia. Tuone manja yanu. Mulipe manja, tuone manja, tuone manja, tuone manja, 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 manja mwamba. Zambia. Zambia. Mwacho mabwanji kuno kuchipata. Kuno kumawa. At wise men and women from the east. Muriuri. Muriuri. Thank you very much. Zikomo kwambi. Zikomo. Choyamba, ifuna uonga zikomo. Kulimwe. Wonse bamene babwera kuno. Oyu musonkano wankala changed several times because wa PF sibanali kufuna ati tibwere kuno. Banali kunama tiai echecha nafera mujere sikuti nilipano. Sikuti nilipano. Mulungu akali kutusonga. God loves us all. He loves us so much. He knows why he's keeping us together. Afuna tibwile nchito titandizana amasiye. Tutandiza alimi wanzanga. Ndaba bavutika manini. Titandize maketia. Maketia vutika maningi maketia. Maketia vutika maningi maketia. Mama. Maketia sana vutike. Mulimi sana vutike. That's why God is keeping us alive. So that we can work together to solve the problems of our marketeers. To solve the problems of alimi. Because in ndine mulimi, niziba atalimi, asebenza mani. Alimi, ndiye akesa abantu bali mu tauni. Marketeer azigulisa mu market agulisa utakese bana bake, amuna ake anafa koma mamuchosa mu market azakesa bwanji bana bake. Zambia. Sorry? Zambia. Zambia. Tuone manja kairi manja. Naruonga zikomo, nyonga zikomo structures yatu yonse, yali kuno kumawa. Thank you very much, province, district, constituency, ward, branches. Nyonga zikomo kwa imwe. Because strength ya Chipani ilipa ma branches. Because my vote alikuma branches. Ichonjo. So zikomo kwa mbili. Thank you to our leaders of the province. Thank you. Thank you to leta kaswati ganga ile. Thank you. Ndana na laki tuone. Iwe uenda ku foreign mission tikangena muboma ile ndikutaka tengana. Nifuna zina yako ni ziwe. Lina laki iwe njonji. Ai mnyama hatari. Zambia. So now uonga zikomo kwa imwe. Amama na tata zikomo to our management officials, MPs, councillors, our leaders. I know one of our leaders who hasn't spoken here, Ambassador Joe Male, thank you very much for being here. Achios and everybody. Akuru, who look after us, who advise us in our party, Kuno Kumumawa, and also in our country. Tuenekeza Zambia, ngati bantu balema na Chipani, kwati cha PF, suunga bamenye kuti baleke their feelings. They cannot stop their feelings. PF are beating our people, thinking that our people will be afraid. Muntu alibe manta. Akabutika maningi manta yasinga. So PF ulinde ochabe, ulie bulemu. Tifuna tibelese ulemu mu Zambia through Chipani chanu cha UPND. Anyone I have not recognized, thank you Atole and your team. Ziko mkwambi. Adada Wiza, thank you everybody. Now I also want to thank my districts. Akuno Kumawa. Aonesa Chikondi. Thank you for the gifts that you have given me. I'm very humbled. I'm extremely humbled. Mulungu adarise. Mulungu abarise. I have a few messages today. PF has destroyed our country. PF aononga chalo cha Zambia. Baza wanaluka mu 2016 nize batumanje bavomera kuononga ni kupaya ulimi. PF has killed our agriculture. Hii vacha ya kanga. Ma inputs amashita deliver very late. Alimi chino ntawi bagali kulandira fertilizer ya pansi bazali mabranch nabwera kuuza ni kuti ise bayupendi kizakonza ulimi because hagainde ni mulimi muzanu azira za ulimi Zambia APF anakupasani mutengo wa 85 kwacha wachimanga mu 2016 because banali kufuna kuti mwapase mavoti. After kubavotera na kumba mavoti mutengo batyola baleta pansi. Wenye wabapie boza wenye. Munaonako chipani cha wenye, munachionako? Ni chipani bonji cha wenye. Mukambisa these trees have years, Babeli. Chipani cha wenye ni chipani bonji. So tavomelezana kuti PF yaononga ulimi sichonjo. Now, what is UPND going to do? We shall deliver inputs on time. Fertilizer, leu tizashita deliver on time. Vula ikalipe kuyamba tapeleka kale fertilizer, tapeleka kale mbeu kuwalimi akuma kumawa. Zambia hapo futi tifuna tikachole mutengo wa inputs. Mutengo wa fertilizer ulipa mwamba maningi, mbeu seed ulipa mwamba, tifuna tikachole mutengo wa fertilizer na wa mbeu kuti mulima gule fertilizer na mbeu, tumupase fertilizer na mbeu kwa mutengo ulipansi. Zambia anzo tizapasa alimi mutengo wa chimanga, wa fodya, wa nshaba, wa utonge, mutengo wa bwino kuti fama ankale viable apange ndalama. So wa PF bapa ya ulimi ife tifuna ulimi ukaende mumwamba. Munipase ni manjawe. Zambia. Yes, Zambia. Takamba pa ulimi. Hii vacha banzatu banali pa radio bayupendi mayo ulifunzo inabwera pa radio ati bayupendi muzacha chana hii vacha muzapitiliza nayo mbwanji iyayi tingapitiliza chindu chopa ya alimi hii vacha chipa ya alimi chicho sapo hii vacha, and we want to bring an efficient system. Zambia mutengo wa bwino futi tifuna tizikula ndilani ndalama zanu on time. Mapeleka chimanga chanu kudepo pafupi na nganda, then we give you a good price and we pay you musanga. Ndalama zinangu mugule mbeu ya next year, ndalama zinangu mujesebana munganda, ndalama zinangu mugule zemene mufuna kugulira shamwali zabwino bana baende ku school. Zambia PF is killing our people. Ndiye babwelesa kolera kuno. Kolera ni matenda ya magoti. Amena aleta magoti kuno ni PF. So nikakamba PF mwanka atikolera. PF Iseba UPND, we shall invest money in clean water supply manzi ya bwino, toilet mu market muja ya bwino, so that cholera tatamangisa. Ntenda ya madoti tizacho sapo. chipani chanu cha UPND. That's my message to you, watu bakumawa, wise and men and women from Kupungu kulivagazi kuna. Yanguko. Zambia. Apefu, abolesa korera, abala mamariketi. Bantu benangu bafana korera. Benangu bafana njala because azimai na azibambo basi yaugulisa umamarketi so walipendela mabantu bamba kufa na njala. Kuma apefu. Manje muntu kuno atia ya lungu ni wakumawa ine ndine wakumawa wawoto kwa kupa ya bantu njala na korera manje ukali muntu amena akamba pagwato akaliko pano maybe eva akudya munganda mwake akudya njala sizi bakukamba pagwato inyokola bapefu ya nyokola njala ya nyokola yachitetani njala kuli bapefu Wazatani Kichinje Tiende tuone Tisteso Tuone Zambia Isenchito yatu ba UPND sikupwanya matebo y'abazimai ho gulisa ngati kwapera korera sikupwanya market y'abantu ize tizaika manzi na matoilet ngati kwapera korera siza kwera but ngati yabwera tachita disinfect in 1 or 2 days osapwanya matebo y'abazimai 2 days 3rd day azimai abwera mu market bagulisa kirana bake Zambia. Thank you. I'm aware. I'm a farmer. This is the guy. Farmer ende wa kusanga. Zambia. Kuno kumaga kuno. Magamaga kuno kujipata na mberankani yo ipa. Ata PF alupanya manyumba ya bantu. Nizona. Kona ipanya manyumba ya bantu. Bantu manyumba bapanya bambogona panje. Kuma winangu akamba ati kumumaba ni kwatu. Nangani ni kwanu ungapaye manyumba ya bazikulu. Ungapanya manyumba ya bantu basista wako. Ungapanya nyumba ya karongozi wako. Apie. Magama atishani. Atuka kuti. Ndimi mwakamba sindimi. Manja. Here is our policies UPND. Because the PF are the ones that allocated the plots for people to build. Bakamba bantu banamanga pa masuwa lai. Manje banali kuti bantu banali kumanga pa masuwa lai. Banali kuti. Balekera muntu amanga nyumba siriza akukiramo na akuka kuja yeni bapanya nyumba. I am instructing the councils kuno kumumawa. Osapanya manyumba ya bantu. Otherwise, if there's a problem like that, you must compensate the people whose houses are destroyed. You must also build them new houses. Sichikondi cho kubantu. PF ilipe chikondi kubantu. Nikakamba ati PF mukamba ati chipani chilipe chikondi kubantu. PF Chipani cha PF chilipe chikondi kubantu. Koma ati dunona reverse. Abanzanga na nzeru za sio. Unga ende reverse. Unga ngene mchimutengo mwana. Uenda reverse wangene mchimutengo. Even in the slogans they tell you that there's a problem with this slogan. There's a problem with this party. So our policy is to ensure that people are given proper plots. That's the instruction I'm issuing to the council. And compensate the people whose houses have been destroyed. And give them new plots and build them houses. Zambia. Thank you very much. Mavuto ya pakamaningi. Muno MPF. Ya pakamaningi. Zambia. Wapefu. Muzi wa itachichele loza kaunda na yukonda kuwenda ako. Pamena anali a president. PF agulisa chichele loji mukafimu Ruangwa National Park. Agulisa kubanzabo ma Chinese. Manje ze tifuna tikabora tikakonze tourism kuti tikachite create jobs Anyamata na Asikana agulisa ijalozi tizapoka tikabwera tipoka loji kutangu wakumala tikonze loji tiguleze matourisi bantu bapezeko nchito because Anyamata sasebeza Anyamata ongo kuma mwabachabe kuservise because sasebeza PF ilipe chikondi kubantu PF ilipe chikondi kubantu sonjo talemanawo corruption munaonako boma ya corruption kwa TPF munaonako corruption ya PTV. I have never seen a party that is so corrupt. Mumarodi ni kuti andalama atuumba mwibala munongerako president akamba atuumba mwibala aliye mwibala nomba manje na mbeo wamba kudya kizambo ushanga chani mumarodi bakudya mumaambulances bakudya mumanyumba bakudya mufertilizer bakudya mumarozi bakudya sibakuta nokuta bantu abali bwanji bantu bakona nanjala webe corruption bakudya beka Ichabwinocho UPND police on corruption, zero tolerance on corruption. Ngalamba bakuja kuja tizachosa tikira mama market manzi tikira mama market toilet tipesa mama market kaloni instead of removing them from the market. Ngalamba bakuba tifuna kitenge bana bamasiye ku maskulu. Ngalamba bakuba tifuna small businesses tikupase tumaloni which are cheaper kuti mbindu yanu iende mumamba. Sinzeruzo fiziko ndicho Niyagamba ati UPND mukamba chipani cha chikondi. UPND Zikomo. Niyagamba ati UPND mukamba ati chipani chatu. UPND Nishani nonse chipani. Our duty is to create jobs so that our people are employed. Bantu bama enda on the streets balipe nchito. Our job as UPND, when we take office, which will be very soon. When we take over government, which will be very soon, our duty will be to create jobs for our people, to take our children to school. Our duty will be to fix agriculture. Instead, we have corruption. That is the way we know loving people. Utambiza bantu ovutika. Oza presidenti angena mu presidenti ayamba kudya ndiye ali number 1 kufuna maplot. Bantu balipo maplot. President ali number 1 ku maplot. Antu afuna business, president ali number 1 ku corruption. President wanu after afuna kankale number 1 kupezerani maplot. Ukutangiza mumange manyumba, utangiza bana banu bamesi baenda ku college utangiza bana banu bali benchito dibagale na chito. Ndiye nchito ya president hiyo. Oza tizametu na masiku yano ya. Wapefu aleta polisi ya kutingati mwana aferuka ku skulu ablorede 2 grades behind. Manje ngati mwana ni wachikazi abwerera magrade ya 2 kumbuyo angangale na mimba akula kai so azapunzira liti abo bantu balina nzeru. I'm announcing that we are going to cancel that policy. I'm telling PF now, you cancel that policy. Mwana akaferuka asiteripiti grade ya manager msanga aende kumwamba aende kutobola. That is my instruction to Mr. Lungu. Niliku uno kumpezeni pakilelo, niliku uno kummawa kwa mena ukambati ni kwanu kaili chikondi kwa bantu baku iste nulipe bana na kambati usiye polisi obeleza bana kumbuyo 2 grades. Otherwise if you don't do it, I'm going to do it myself immediately. Zambia mataxi drivers nchito mulibe kuti mwenze taxi mitewingo malevizi marodi block muzapanga litindalama fuel yanonda ma customers kulibe nchito yanga because ine ndine businessman, ndine mulimi, ndine businessman. Nikuona ati munzanga taxi driver anaeva ankalebu ino apange ndalama kizachosa vimalevi vambili vaika pa mataxizi kizachosa na mutengo wa fuel kizabwesa panzi osa dipoza yaba PF yao pa election 2016 wanatiuza ati wanaenda ku Saudi Arabia mutengo wa fuel zabwera pa 5 kwacha kuli fuel ya 5 kwacha kuna uzipata kuli fuel ya 5 kwacha kuna uzipata poza wenye nikakamba ati poza ya PF muyanka atitalema nayo poza ya PF you are my friends taxi drivers. Let's work together. Tusebenzele pamoja, tuchinje ziko. Zambia. Nikakamba ati PF muyanga ati pati yabakawalala. PF. Futi nikagamba ati PF ukamba ati paya fama. PF. Nibakawalala bapaya ulimi, bapaya maketia, bapaya taxi drivers nibantu wa mtundu wa banje. Nikagamba ati UPND muyanka ati chipani cha nzeru. UPND. Futi nikagamba ati UPND muyanka ati chipani chatu. UPND. I want to move and say to all the new members that have joined us. Bantu bamene bati joina lero. Bachoka ku PF, bachoka ku Rendo Party, bachoka ku FTD, bachoka konse, you are welcome. UPND ni chipandi chano. That's why I say, when I say UPND, muyanka chipandi chatu. UPND. That is my message to you. UPND is your party. It's a party for the people of Zambia. Kuno kumava, ku northern, kuwapula, kumuchinga, ku northwestern, southern konse. Because this is your party, party ya halimi, party ya chikondi, party ya nzeru, party ya chikondi kubantu. Osa butisa bantu, kutamiza bantu. So, osa mbera chimbere atiai, UPND ni abantu bamozi bandani bantu bamozi. Sichipani chanu imwe? Wenye wala PF wenye. So you are all welcome. Kavuti katonse ora baja banarukamba atiai dununa reverse lero bamaenda na mutu panzi bali nansoni kuno manje osabaseka mubalete prodigal sons mubalete ku UPND tusebenzele pamoja. We want them because we want to win big. We want to take over government. And I want to tell you, in Southern Africa, there's a wind of change. Mugabe anachosa. Zuma anachosa. Mairo Ethiopian Prime Minister wanamuchosa. Mpamvu z'abantu. Osati treason babene bakamba. Kulibe treason mpamvu z'abantu ng'abantu. Balema na chipani chakangiwa. Bantu bachita chani. Sign your chinga. Zambia. To my UPND colleagues, please respect the people who are joining us. Welcome everybody. Let's put them in the structures. Let's work with them. You are all welcome. On this score, I officially launch our UPND card renewal here in Kumumara. From here in Chipata, we must go. The provinces and national management, we must go to all the districts, we must go to all the constituencies and mobilize our people because change in Gabriele anytime. Any artisan. Okay, Zambia. I want to thank God. I want to thank Mulungu watu. I want to thank Mulungu watu for allowing us to continue with life. Maminda walu selwa gondo wajitila bamwi balele wagale undilele ime andime God bless you all. Greet everybody at home. Thank you very much. Thank you. We're just going to go to the process of the card here. Thank you. We love you. We love you so much. Mukabapa semoni bonse bali kumanyumba utawakainde muri mimuzano akupasani moni. Moni wa mafuta ya kuku. We love you so much. Thank you. Thank you.